What's up, everybody? Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com.
Crystal Love, KetoBrick.com.
There you go. Now, I was kind of racking my brain as far as what to film for today's episodes, and I think I'm going to do it a little bit differently. I was kind of looking at the podcast that I've published thus far, which, if you don't listen to my podcast, by all means, please listen to the podcast. But I've published 97 episodes thus far, which means I'm almost at 100, which is kind of a milestone for me as far as podcasts go. So I think what I'm going to do is the 100th episode is going to be kind of like a laid-back Q&A session in which she asks the questions and I answer them. And they could be like keto-related, they could be lifestyle-related, they could be our relationship, they could be anything and everything. So that's kind of what I want to do for the 100th episode. In order to submit a question, all you have to do is comment on this YouTube video. So yeah, I'm just going to publish this YouTube video. Comment on the like in the comment section, ask your question there, and then she'll just go down the line, read those questions, and that will form the podcast, the 100th episode podcast. I'm also going to record that podcast and put it on YouTube and kind of cross-pollinate the YouTube and the podcast audience. How's that sound?
Sounds great.
Sounds great. She's going to talk more than this on the actual episode, so get ready for that.
Yes.
So have an appropriate question, obviously. Put it in the comment section there, and we'll just go down the line and go through everything. And if that goes well, we might start doing like a co-hosted podcast thing in which we just pick an episode or pick a question and then just dive deep into that. In addition to the podcast that I'm currently doing with the guests, I do those twice a week. So I might do something with her, kind of like a co-hosted, pick a question, dive deep into it informally, and just kind of ramble together. Mm-hmm. We're pretty good at rambling.
We are good at rambling. Believe it or not, I'm actually good at rambling.
Yeah.
It always seems like I'm really quiet, but mostly just because he runs the show. But I can do it.
She could totally do it. She could totally do it. So yeah, it's kind of what we're looking at right now. We're excited about it. I'm excited about the 100th episode. Thanks for listening to 100 episodes or 97 episodes thus far. So yeah, put your question in the comment section of this YouTube video, and then we will answer those when I record that 100th episode, and it'll go live either next week or the week after. So yeah, sound good?
Sounds great.
And it's going to be totally unscripted. Like, I'm not going to pre-read the questions. It's just going to go with the flow. So it's going to be very authentic and just, spontaneous. So
make sure that they're not like personal questions like what should you do about your diet, but that they're actually questions I can ask on the podcast to Robert.
Yeah, something that would pertain. But I mean, it could be totally pretty much anything. Like, it didn't even have to be keto related. It could be mindset, it could be whatever. So that's kind of what we're thinking. Let us know what you think. Let us know what you think of the co-hosting idea. Love to get your feedback. So yeah, by the way, check out the cool new studio. Yeah. Super proud of this thing. It's amazing. I feel like I'm a professional or something. Any other thoughts, baby?
No, I think that's it.
All right. Well, we love you. Have a great day. Kick butt. Be a savage. And submit a question, and we'll answer those soon. Peace.